So farmers, as we have been training most of you, and as you know, to keep any dairy cow, you have to feed it a combination of a concentrate such that it can give you what you want. And today I'm going to show you how you can preserve uh, your spent grain or your brewery waste, such that it can't get any mold or any infection. Some of farmers can keep this spent grain, and you find that on the top there is a molded layer, and you find this is not good economically, as you know what the more inputs which has no significant accountability will lead to losses. And this is how you preserve your spent grain. One, as you observe where I am, I'm on drums, and these drums, they are full of spent grain. They are full of spent grain, and we have kept this for almost a week. But if you see, you can see its color. It is good. It looks fresh. But reason why it looks fresh, it's not that has spent 2 days, or it's not that we have any other method how we keep it fresh. The logic is behind how you tighten your reeds, and that is the one method. You can tighten your reeds very well with a polythene, and after you add this reed. But another method, you can get your spent grain, and you add this usual salt on the top. This salt will prevent bacteria or fungal to develop, and will keep it fresh every time. So farmers, don't lose any spent grain at your farm. That is the logic. Keep your spent grain well compacted on top. Don't put any other cover, just put salt. And another error that is always done with most of farms, you get your spent grain and you serve it. Let's say you have it in quantities, you serve it starting on one side. Let's say you are going to serve like this one. You find that you are serving this way only. You find that you are serving this side only. No, what you do, you remove this top layer, such that this one which tends to get spoiled, you remove it. And also again tomorrow you come, you remove the other remaining layer, as you feed layer per layer without leaving any kind of old grain on the top.